Are you tired of the complexities and delays in your construction projects? Do you struggle with the inefficient setup and erection of pre-engineered buildings? Introducing a revolutionary solution designed just for you. Our cutting-edge PEB structure column Erection Contractors streamlines the entire process, ensuring that your project is completed on time and with unparalleled precision. Say goodbye to costly errors and labor-intensive tasks that slow down your progress. With our innovative approach, you'll benefit from a quicker installation time, reduced labor costs, and improved safety measures on-site. We've combined advanced technology with expert craftsmanship, making your construction endeavors smoother and more efficient than ever before. Don't let inefficiencies hold you back any longer. Take the next step towards elevating your construction projects. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.